Hey guys, it's Wanda from Crazy Days, and today we're announcing the winners of a couple of my giveaways. Everything's just gotten a little crazy around Deep South, and it's getting crazier. We've got a lot of things going on, and it's hard for me to keep up this week, so I'm combining a lot of things in one video. Coming up sometime this next week here on Crazy Days will be a canning basics. A lot of people asked me about that, so I did a quick one. It doesn't cover every aspect of canning, but it covers up the majority of whatever you may need for canning. Few things. Danny and I are having some things done here. We're going to be spending a lot of time, maybe making a few videos, but having other people here on the homestead for a few days, and it's going to be a little bit hectic, so I'm going to be trying to get things on Deep South as quick as possible. Let me show you something I added to the canning kitchen. I'm excited. Actually, a few things. I added a few flowers to my vases. I know I'm not a decorator or anything, but I thought they were cute. They don't exactly go with the blue and stuff, but I thought, hey, it's my colors. Danny added the fire extinguisher, so we do have that here. Somebody's gonna ask. There's one here. And I ordered this a month or so ago when I saw it. This is a metal, old Canon slogan maybe. And when I saw it, it's a vintage one. I just loved it. Am I proud? I'm fighting famine, I get it right, by canning food at home. Y'all, I loved it. So that's my new addition here in the canning kitchen. One of my giveaways was Miss LIPPYS BAYOU Blend, the Swamp Mix from Gemini Homestead. Going to be a link in the description. Check it out. If you didn't win, you can buy them. They're packaged by Miss Lippy and Mr. Buddy themselves. Check out Gemini Homestead on YouTube. You'll find out they're good people. These are some really great mixes. Now this one goes to Blessed Gypsy. So Blessed Gypsy, if you will, send me an email at deepsouthhomestead@gmail.com. If I do not hear from Blessed Gypsy in a couple of days, probably say by Monday of next week, I will pick another winner. And I will contact them and we'll go from there. Now, the Betty's Box of Blessings. It was a Bible. Choose Joy was the title. This is a tote, a devotional, a journal, a CD to listen to from Beth Moore, and a bunch of cards. Now I'm giving away the whole thing, all of it, to one person, and that is Karen Angulo, Angulo. So Karen, get in touch with me and at deepsouthhomestead@gmail.com. We'll go from there. Now, guys, this is a blessing to me to be able to give these things away. The Swamp Mix and the Betty's Box of Blessings. There will be more. Let's talk about it. So I'm approaching 15,000 subscribers. I'm not far. You guys help me get there. I'm going to do another giveaway. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do, but I have a feeling you guys will like it because it's going to do with canning. I'm pretty sure of that. And so y'all stay tuned. Within the next week to 2 weeks, hopefully I will reach 15,000 subscribers and we'll do some kind of canning giveaway. Y'all, the canning kitchen's closed. Talk to y'all later from Crazy Days.